These are the elevators at the Four Seasons at Mandalay Bay. Optical indicator. See how high we'll get to go. I don't think we'll get to go that high. Oh, that's very weird. That has a generic elevator. Whoa, what the hell? Relevel. The fat indicator. Didn't even hear the voice.
In that lobby.
You want to go to see?
Okay.
Casino.
Thank you.
Casino. Going
Okay. Have a great night.
Casino.
Whoa, what the? He just gave me a free ride to the top. Oh god, oh, how tall does this go? I didn't think this was a literal high rise. Okay, I'm actually curious on how high I am. I did not think this was that tall. Oh my god. I can't see anything because of all the light. What the hell is the other side? I guess. That's so weird. I thought that was the other tower that I was just on. Ah, damn it.
Going down.
Ah, dang it. I like that picture. Nice elevators, we'll say that. Of course, they're Otis. They're buttons. Typical Otis buttons. No, it's not that stupid, okay. It's an odd Otis. Just because of the voice. Well, the numbers like change positions.
Are we going? This is casino.
No, this is the lobby level. Casino's upstairs. Oh. There you go.
This is casino.
Yeah, this is casino.
That's
Oh,
where
you
you're
good?
going?
Yeah, that's where I'm going.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going up further. Oh, okay. Oh, shit, I forgot Sue's door. Okay. There it goes, and that's it.